Hi, so this is your criteria B task sheet. It's about developing ideas. So in this, there are two things which you have going to do. This is strand 1 and strand 2. Strand 1 is about success criteria. Strand 2 is about developing design ideas. So I am just going to explain you the task sheet, not in detail because I have put some voice recording here, so you can just click on them and understand what you have to do. So like the way if you click on it, I have recorded my voice. There are voice, so there are voice notes. You can just click on these voice notes and understand what I am trying to say you in this. Here, if you go to second slide, it talks about success criteria. This is hyperlinked. When you click on this, you will be directed to one of the website which talks more about success criteria. And when you go to that website, you can just read about it and you will get to know more details. On this particular box, you'll be writing your success criteria. One example is of chair example, which we have done during our design cycle. So you can just read it and understand how you have to go about it. Another slide, third slide is on design ideas. Again, voice note is there. You can play it, understand what to do. You can insert more slides over here to put your design ideas. This is very important part of it, which is rubric. How you can get good marks or good how can you achieve good level. The maximum level you can achieve is 8. If you read here, if there are two things, strand 1 and strand 2, if you state one basic success criteria, you might get only one or two, and if you present one design idea, you might get only one or two. But to get 7 or 8, you need to develop a list of success criteria and present flexible design ideas using appropriate medium. So here if you present flexible design ideas of your poster, you like I'm like it was said that you have to present 2 3 design ideas. So if you do that, you might get 7 or 8. And also if you outline the key features of those design ideas which you have drawn, then you might get 7 or 8. Also you need to read about command terms. When we say state, what is the meaning of state? Present, what is the meaning of present? Create, outline, describe. These are the command terms which is very important in your rubric. You can read them and attempt the task accordingly and achieve the level according to the your work, whatever you will submit, and you will achieve the level according to your work which you will do. So if you submit the task right now, so we are going to start this task on Thursday. If you submit this task on time or maybe before time, then you will get a feedback and you can work on my feedback and resubmit your task so that you can achieve some better level. But if you submit late, obviously you will just get a comment from my side rather than getting a detailed feedback on which you can work and resubmit. So your choice. If you work on time, you might get good feedback. I mean, you might get detailed feedback on the basis of which you can work again and submit again, and you might achieve different level than what you were getting earlier. All right, guys, all the best.